I'm Vincent from Cisco, and I'm joined today by my good friend Mark.
Hi, my name is Mark. I'm Cloud Solution Architect at Telindus, and today we want to show you Cloud Center.
So what is Cloud Center? First, I want to set the stage a little bit. Everyone nowadays talks about adopting cloud. And market intelligence tells us that usually the best approach for customers is to adopt a hybrid cloud approach. Hybrid means that customers will ultimately leverage resources and services both in public and private infrastructure. However, this new cloud approach or this new consumption model has also introduced new challenges. Customers recognize that they lack capabilities and appropriate tools to enjoy a true hybrid cloud experience. Cisco Cloud Center is a solution that addresses those new challenges. Cisco Cloud Center is a software solution that allows customers to deploy, model, and manage their application environments in a true hybrid cloud fashion. Cisco Cloud Center is therefore a cloud management platform. But what makes Cisco Cloud Center truly unique is that it introduces an abstraction layer between the application owner, application developer, and the underlying infrastructure. This is very important because it decouples the underlying infrastructure from the actual deployment of the applications. So with Mark, we're going to show you a little bit how Cisco Cloud Center works, and actually a solution that was deployed by Telindus, and Mark is one of the happy users of this solution. So what we're going to do is show you how typically a customer would use this solution. Mark, can you show us a little bit why Cloud Center can be called a cloud management platform?
Sure, first of all I have to log in. I created for this demo a small tenant and added to this 4 different clouds, not just one where we are limited, 4. That was really easy. So, and I want to show you these clouds. The 2 first ones are well-known public clouds like AWS and the public Azure. And then we have here 2 Telindus clouds, our UFlex and our uCloud. And yeah, these we know already, but normally the client or the customers wants to use other clouds or on-prem things. What to do? So within Cloud Center you can add what you need. Let me just try this one out. And for now, we have on-prem VMware stuff. Yeah, so let's add it. We give it a name, VMware. Choose it. And now you see one other cloud here. Now you have to add the region or the cloud account. And for this, we just have to fill in 5 fields and we can work with your on-prem software. It's your on-prem cloud. Not just the public clouds, it's your on-prem too. So you can choose for each application you want to deploy, where to deploy it.
So this shows us already how an administrator could leverage resources from different clouds, sometimes multiple public clouds in parallel if need be. But ultimately, what this tool is useful for is obviously for application deployment. So Mark, how would an administrator leverage Cisco Cloud Center to deploy applications?
First, you want to start somewhere normally, so you need something predefined. And for this, we have the marketplace within Cloud Center. The marketplace has 2 sections. One is the private marketplace, where you can publish your own applications you created for your own company. And we have a public marketplace, where we already create some applications you can just deploy somewhere to a cloud. And there we have some blockchain projects, and we have our UTouch and UShare and so things. So just choose it, choose where to deploy, and then use it. That's our marketplace.
Nice. So what I can recognize here is that public marketplace looks like a repository, basically. Customers can use it like an application template for a known environment. What about if they want to deploy in their own custom application? So does Cisco Cloud Center allow them to use some kind of interface that would allow them to define their application environment?
Sure, we have a private marketplace for your own applications, so we have to create them somewhere. And for this, we have an app modeler over here. And the app modeler, we can start from scratch with a new application, or we can use a predefined. I created some already to be faster here now. And I will just change one. And here you see what you see is what you get editor with a lot of services. So you don't have to start from scratch like with a normal new cloud. Here you can use predefined services and you can link them together. So we have an application here, and now we want to add a message bus. So we choose a service message bus, choose a rabbit, and then we link it to other services. And we are done. So we can use it immediately without taking care about versions of services and so on. Just use it.
Notice how Mark used this interface. It doesn't show any dependency on a specific cloud infrastructure. So this is how we demonstrate the abstraction layer that Cisco Cloud Center has introduced. So that's a nice tool. Obviously, I can imagine it could empower application owners a lot. And with that comes great responsibility. So how can we enforce access control to such a platform in order not to wreak havoc in a customer's environment?
So you want to be sure that not every one of your guys or so can use every cloud to edit a cloud account. Yeah, for this, first what you need to know is we have a structure with users, groups and roles. So you can create your own groups for your department inside your company and user, and then you can group your clouds. And for the group of clouds, we have environments. So here we have already two because we are using it on-prem. There we have the Linux clouds for the moment, and we have public clouds. And now maybe you want to add a new group for your development department. So let's create a new group, dev. Choose the cloud. Yeah, we want to use our UFlex and we want to use AWS. Then we are done. We can link now this environment to one department. And the next thing what we can do is we can create a usage plan. So we can say, hey, this department can spend up 200 euros this month or each month or so. So we have fully cost control here.
So interesting. Now, access control is one thing, obviously, for security reason, for governance reason, but cost control is another. So you mentioned it. So how can a customer leverage Cisco Cloud Center with the cost control approach?
First of all, like I said, we have these usage plans where you can give you a budget or so for one department. Yeah, but after 1 month or 1 year, you want to see who spent what to which public cloud because my bills are so high or so. I want to see what happened. So the first point to start here is the dashboard. For the dashboard, we have an overview about the last 30 days. And yes, I spend a little bit of money here because I want to try things out here. And then we have the usage summary. Here we can see each cloud and we can exactly see what we spent during a given time. And we have the same for applications. And here, like you see, I spent this money for the benchmarking because with the new year we had some new virtual machines and I want to know what is the fastest cloud now from applications. That's why I spent this money.
So cost control, one thing. This is enabled by a cost model that customers can use in Cisco Cloud Center. If we can control costs, it also means we can compare costs. So you mentioned the word benchmark. So how would a customer typically leverage Cisco Cloud Center for a benchmarking exercise across multiple clouds?
Yes, because here we can use more than one cloud. We want to know sometimes what is the fastest or what is the cheapest because you have peaks in your usage. So you want to switch to another cloud. And to compare this, we have benchmarking. And like I said, I created one benchmark with a new year virtual machines. And I wanted to compare, just to show something here, the high resources, the new virtual machines from AWS and cheaper ones from the public Azure. And after the benchmark, you see exactly what you get for your applications, for your money.
Thank you, Mark. What we showed today in this demo is an illustration of how Cisco Cloud Center can act as a cloud broker and policy engine, enabling customers to gain deep control on how they leverage resources and services in multiple clouds. Cisco Cloud Center has also been deployed and integrated by Telindus and their current cloud portfolio, and this has allowed Telindus to deploy new services, offer new services faster in a more consistent way to their customers across multiple clouds. And in turn, this enables their customers to enjoy a true hybrid cloud experience. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you later.